Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by closing games and heavy programs before you update Nvidia software. Check your current GeForce Experience version in the About tab of the app. Back up any custom settings like in-game profiles or capture shortcuts to a file. Ensure Windows is updated and you have at least 15% battery or power connected. Download the installer only from Nvidia.com or the Microsoft Store to avoid malware. If you use custom drivers, note the driver version number like 531, 41 before proceeding. Open GeForce Experience and sign in with your Nvidia account if needed. If an update appears, select Download and allow the installer to run with administrator rights. For driver updates, use the Drivers tab and pick the recommended or the certified version. Choose Express Install to preserve settings or select Custom Install for a clean installation. Allow the installer network access and temporarily disable third-party antivirus if it blocks installation. Restart your PC after installation to complete driver integration and avoid residual conflicts. If the update fails, run the installer as administrator and check disk space on C drive. Use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove old drivers safely before a clean custom install. Reset GeForce Experience settings or reinstall the app from Nvidia.com if problems persist. Check Windows Update, then run the DirectX diagnostic tool and GPU stress test for stability. Collect logs from C/program data /NVIDIA/corporation/GeForce Experience.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.